Hi, everybody. Adam Popine here from Remax Kamloops. Thank you once again for tuning into my monthly newsletter. This is the newsletter for the month of April, and we are doing a stats package for the month of March and the year to date of where we are. Just a super quick recap on what I'm seeing in the market right now. I mean, it's a very interesting time right now. Interest rates are obviously going up. We're still struggling with inventory in a lot of different markets across BC right now. Kamloops is no different than that. And really, we're still seeing a lot of multiple offers because of the lack of inventory. Now, there's a lot of talk about, of course, everybody's talking about subject-free offers and everything like that. I think they're maybe not as common as people think, at least here in Kamloops. Kelowna and Vancouver, I can't comment, obviously not working in those areas. I've seen a couple of subject-free offers myself in the last few months, but I think it sounds like everybody and their dog are writing a subject-free offer, and that's just simply not what I've been seeing in Kamloops. So the good news is that many people are still writing offers with typical conditions in there to protect themselves. And that's definitely the way that I like to see it, because I say to people all the time, I would not want to buy a house myself without having financing and a home inspection and everything else. So the provincial government is of course also talking about this cooling off period for buyers, being able to walk away from a contract over the period of 5 days. We don't have official direction on that yet. So that will also be a very interesting twist that could come into our market. So bear with me for 2 seconds here. I'm just going to share my screen. And I just want to talk a little bit. I'm not going to go really hard into all the numbers here, but I'm just going to give you a quick snapshot. This first page here, I'm on RateSpy. There's a lot of good websites out there. If you just want to go and check out what what today's rates are, lots of good information out there. This page that I'm on here, you see quite a few, regular lenders, if you will. You've got RBC, BMO, Van City on here. Really what we're seeing is a lot of 5-year fixed mortgages in that mid-3 to higher 3%. We're starting to creep up on 4%, so it'll be really, it'll be something to certainly watch over the next couple of weeks and months. If we go to the stats themselves here, this is the stat package that our association sends to us. And really the biggest thing that I wanted to start with is residential sales for the month of March. And this is specifically in Kamloops. We had 326, again, just residential sales. That's actually down 15% from 2021. Again, the stats that we're looking at here are always comparing back to a year ago. So again, that's down 15%. We've got 510 new listings for the month of March. That was actually up 15%. So that's one of the first months that we're starting to see more inventory come on, which is obviously, really it's a good thing for everybody. It's a sign of a healthier market than what we've been seeing as of late. And then the average sale price. Now, this is just for single family homes in Kamloops, but interesting to see. Again, probably the first month I've seen in a long time where the average sale price for the month of February was $820,000, and for the month of March it was down to $795,000. So again, interesting to see those averages move downwards a little bit. As I just scroll down here, this just shows us simply where we are now as the Kamloops Real Estate Association. We are now part of AIR, which is the Association of Interior Realtors. So you can see here on a map all of the different areas that are represented really by one board now. And then our board breaks out the stats differently for all these different areas. So here's some of the stuff that I already talked about: 326 sales for the month of March. We've got our listings up to 943. and the new listings come on at 510, like we already talked about. And then as we come down here, we're into just some snapshots. It breaks it down into single family, townhouses, and condos. So again, you can see here 191 sales for single family homes in Kamloops. There's that average sale price of $795. Days on market is still incredibly low. 32 days is just crazy, to be honest, but that seems about right. Townhouses, we've got an average price of $571. 23 days on market, even less for those selling there. And then condos down at the bottom, we've got an average of 408 and 42 days to sell. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys a quick snapshot. I'll stop sharing this page here. Yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick snapshot of what the market's doing here in Kamloops. Obviously, very interesting times with interest rates, some of the provincial government's new guidelines potentially coming in. We don't know when that's going to happen. And yeah, we'll just continue to keep you posted as the market changes. Of course, if anybody has any questions, just general questions about the market, feel free anytime to reach out to me. I'm always happy to chat real estate. So thank you very much for tuning in. I hope everybody has a fantastic Easter, and I'm sure I will be talking with many of you soon. Take care. Have a great day.